Welcome back to another episode on Collocations. And the topic today is about the internet and technology. Now, let's look at the useful phrases that you can use for this topic. 1. Surf the internet, go online, or browse websites. Those are the general online activities that you can do. 2. Use social media, scroll through feeds, or post updates. Those are also the activities that you do online. 3. Send emails, messages, or files. Those are the activities that you do to communicate online. 4. If you want to talk about the managing of your digital content, you can say you download, you upload, you stream, or you install software. When you want to talk about data searching, you can say search for information or you Google something. Number 6, if you want to talk about internet access, you can say connect to Wi-Fi, you are connected, or you go online or offline. Next, if you want to talk about the management of power, you can say charge your device or you run out of battery. If you want to talk about interface actions, the action that you do on the screen of your phone or your tablet, you can say click on a link, open an app, or navigate a website. When you want to keep your technology current or updated, you can say upgrade your device, update software, or you install apps. And the final one in here is when you want to talk about your dependence on technology, you can say rely on technology, you are addicted to technology, or you are glued to your phone. Now let's talk about the nouns that you can use when you discuss this topic. 1. The internet, Wi-Fi, network, or cloud storage. 2. Smartphone, laptop, tablet, desktop, smartwatch. 3. Website, app, software, browser, platform. 4. Social media, chat app, email, video call, live stream. 5. Search engine, algorithm, AI. Number 6. Password, username, account, profile, data. 7. Gadget, device, gesture, screen, notifications. 8. E-commerce, online learning, digital marketing, cybersecurity. 9. Tech company, IT industry, digital world, innovation. Let's look at some adjectives to describe the internet and technology. 1. Fast, high speed, reliable, stable when you want to talk about good internet quality. 2. When you want to talk about the internet problems, you can say it is slow, it is laggy, it is unstable, and it is disconnected. Connected. 4. When you talk about device features, you can say is smart, is innovative, is user-friendly, is portable, or is compact. Next, when you want to talk about the state of modernity of your technology, you can say advanced, cutting edge, high tech, or state of the art. So you can say your phone is state of the art or the app is user friendly. Okay. Number 5. When you talk about the negative aspects of using the internet or technology, you can say they are addictive, they are distracting, they are time consuming, or it is unsafe to use the internet. Continue. If you want to talk about your experiences that is based on technology, you can say interactive, virtual, digital, or automatic. And finally, if you want to talk about the protection of data on cyberspace, you can say secure, private, encrypted, or hackable. Now let's move on to the final part for this topic. We will move on with the expressions and idioms related to the topic of internet and technology. 1. When you talk about something that spreads quickly online, you can say that thing goes viral. When somebody stream something and you can see it instantly or at the moment of their speaking, you can say the live stream is in real time. When you are constantly connected to the internet or the news, you can say you are plugged in or you're always online. When you want to talk about somebody who is good with technology, you can say that person is a tech savvy person. If you want to have some time away from the screen or the internet, you can say you need digital detox. Number 6, if you use your phone without stopping, you can say you scroll endlessly. If something is easy to access, you can say easy at your fingertips. We can use it for anything, not just the technology. Number 8, when you talk about the errors in the system or device, you can say your phone or the system crash, freeze, or glitch. On the internet, you may see some content that has very attention-grabbing heading or title, and it is called clickbait. So something is clickbait. It is attention-grabbing, but it has misleading content. Okay, 10. Suffering information overload. Somebody may suffer information overload, especially when they have FOMO. It's the fear of missing out. So actually, this day, a lot of people suffer from this problem. Okay, I hope that this topic can help you to have more ideas for your discussion on the topic of technology and the internet. Thank you for watching.